Anpviz Security Smart PTZ battery camera 2K works with Alexa and your smartphone. Let's open this up. It's a 2K human detection AI analyst 2.4 Wi-Fi two-way auto multi-user sharing full color battery powered IP66 pan, tilt, and rotate. Let's show you what get inside the box and open it up. The USB micro cable is going to be needed to charge the unit every so often. The hardware kit, screws, a precision screwdriver, the mount with the security screw to go in, an instruction guide excluding an SDXC card, up to 64 gig, now up to 128 gig supply. I like to take a board and I am going to hook mine up and show you how simple this is to do. You're going to screw in the mount. Make sure the security screw, the gold, is facing to the top. Make sure you use screws that sink behind the plate. You take the camera, you lock it down. As you lock it down, you take the precision screwdriver and the Phillips bolt, screw it into place. This prevents the camera from coming off. On the back of the unit, what you're going to do is you're going to take off the plug. You're going to match the wide towards the bottom. You're going to plug in your cable, nice and firm. I'm going to show you with the power bank this hooked up that the unit will start to show a charge. After this is fully charged, we're going to come back and go hook up. Peel off the film so this way you can correctly take care of business, loading and unloading things. What you're going to do is you're going to add your camera, a new device, by downloading the application and following the instructions. When you first turn your product on, there's going to be an on and off switch and the unit's going to go through its calibrations. There is a blue light. Allow the unit to do what it needs to do. This is going to take a couple of minutes.
Wi-Fi connected.
Don't be afraid if it takes a little too long. It's going to now connect everything up. Name your camera, do everything you want to it. Confirm the strength. And there we are right here. We can pan down, tilt, so forth. We have sound, we have audible, we have a light that we could turn on, turn off. We could increase our screen to a full size. It's 2K video resolution, live, and so forth. So what we're going to go do now is going to hook this up and show you what it looks like outside. But before I do that, here I am. You can see the camera's already hooked up, and what I want to do is maybe pan and tilt. It doesn't work with sliding your fingers, but what you need to do is go to the main app here. And we could tilt it and get the correct angle of the street and what we want to look at. So if I have packages coming towards the door and I want to keep the camera motion detection, I can simply just rotate it here. And I can see exactly what's at the door area right there. You can see 48% of the battery has motion detection, notifications, sleep settings, firmware information, the SD card, light settings, audio, and advanced settings, and you can remove the camera. So you want to set motion detection up, you have it on, you have the sensitivity medium, cooldown period, and the duration and the resolution size. There's a lot to go through in this app, and I'm just briefly showing you some of the information. So I open up the application and I want to control the camera. I just hit it on and I can simply just adjust it to the way I want it to. Takes a little time to get to where I need it to be at. And there I am. You can see I got a nice blue light. I got the antennas adjusted up and down the way I want it. And if I wanted to take a picture, I could hit a picture. You won't see it flashing. At nighttime, it'll be infrared. You see some infrared lights. If I want to turn the lights on, there they are. 2 bright lights. Hey, what's out there? Hey, what's out there? Hey, what's out there? So you can see I could talk to somebody. And I can hear it via the smartphone anywhere I want to be and be safe. So if you're looking to secure your area, inside, outside, anywhere, a boatyard, wherever you got Wi-Fi, this product may be right for you. Security, be safe no matter where you're at. So I hope you enjoy your camera and you want an option to put a solar panel up, you may do so. There is a spot for it. You need to put it up a little higher and outdoors, and this thing will do wonders. So I hope this is the product that you may be looking for. A security camera, and enjoy. Have a great day. I'm Fish, your how-to guy.